we are going to introduce the new concept that is perpendicular. Good morning beta. That is perpendicular. What is perpendicular? When we talk about perpendicular, it means we are if we are talking about perpendicular, it means we are talking about the what perpendicular means. Perpendicular means when we draw two lines and these lines are forming 90-degree angle. This is called perpendicular. If you observe the corner of the board, corner of your notebook, this is also an example of perpendicular. Corner of your mobile phone, corner of your laptop, corner of your notebooks, all are the examples of perpendicular. So in today's class we will use our compass and scale, and we will draw the perpendicular. How we draw a perpendicular? By using the ruler and compasses. 14.4 question number first. Draw any line segment AB. What you have to do? You have to draw the line segment. Beta please mic off karo Sanskar. You have to draw a line segment AB. Mark any point M on it. Suppose you have to draw a perpendicular. What will you do? You will draw a line segment AB of any measurement. Take a point on it. And M, name it M. Now draw the perpendicular on AB. Now you have to draw the perpendicular on AB. How will you draw the perpendicular? Listen me carefully. Take M as a center, and a convenient radius. Take a convenient radius. It may be 1.5 centimeter. It may be 2 centimeter. And you will mark it just like that. Take M as center and a convenient radius. Construct an arc intersecting AB. It will intersect AB at P and Q. Take M as center and mark an arc which will intersect AB at P and Q respectively. Now with A and B with P and Q as centers and a radius greater than AP. Now what will you do? You will take a radius more than half of PM. PM के हाफ से ग्रेटर आप क्या लोगे? रेडियस लोगे, and you will mark an arc. You will mark two arcs which cut each other at L. From here you will cut one mark, and here you will cut another mark, and they will cut each other at L, and join LM. So LM is the perpendicular to L. LM is the perpendicular to AB. LL is perpendicular to AB. Now listen it again. First you have to take a line segment of AB. आपको सबसे पहले एक लाइन सेगमेंट लेना है AB. Then you have to take a point M on it. उस पे M एक पॉइंट लेना है. M को सेंटर मानना है. आपको एक रेडियस खोलना है, कन्वीनियंट आर्क, कन्वीनियंस रेडियस. It may be 1.5 or 2 or more than it. Then you will mark an arc which will cut AB at P and Q. At P and at Q. Then what will you do? You will take an arc more than half of. You will take an arc. You will take two arcs. More than which will cut what you will take two arcs which is greater than PM, which is greater than PM, and which will cut each other at L. Join LM. LM is the perpendicular bisect. Student, this is one of the most important question. Do it and show it to me. Very good, very good. Yes, very good. Switch off your mic. Yes, good beta. Good. Yes, beta. Yes, good. This is the construction of a perpendicular when the point is given on a line. This is the construction of the perpendicular when the point is given on the line. We can also construct the perpendicular when the point is not given on the line. So in this way, in 14.2, you can do the question. In 14.2, you can do the question with the help of set ruler and set square. You can do the 14. Please switch off your mic. Yes, good beta, very good. Very good. Similarly, in second question, very good, Sanskar. Now students, comes to second question. Draw any line segment PQ. Take a point R not on it. Through R, draw a perpendicular to PQ using ruler and set square. Now in this question, there is a no need to use the compass. You have to just use the set square. How will you do it? First of all, you know the set square. What is set square? The set squares are available in geometry. Take this line segment AB. Take a point R, not on it. इस पे नहीं लेना, कहीं पे भी ले लो R. Now use the set square which is of 90 degree and put the set square here and draw a straight line, and it will be RL perpendicular on AB. RL perpendicular on AB. Okay students, tomorrow I will take a test of chapter symmetry. Tomorrow I will take a test of chapter symmetry. Next one, student, this is a question number 2. Yes. Yeah, it can also be taken as a downwards. Do it fast, beta. Question number 2. Okay, beta. Good. Next one is question. Okay, beta. Okay. The next one is question number 3. Okay, beta. Good, good, very good, good, good. Okay, beta. Good, beta. Good, 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 good. Very good, beta. Yes. Yes, beta. Comes to question number 3. Question number 3 is just like the question number 1. Draw a line L and a point X on it. You have to draw a line L. You have to draw a line L. You have to draw a line L and you have to take point X on it. You have to take a point X on it. Through X, draw a line segment XY perpendicular to L. Now you have to draw a perpendicular. Same, you will open the arc, mark 2 points which will cut it at AB. Then you will again take an arc more than half of AX, mark here, and again from this you will mark here and join them, and it will be XY. This is a just repetition of exercise. Question number 1 of this exercise. XY is perpendicular on L. XY is perpendicular on L. First complete this work. Okay, beta, very good. Good. Very good. Very good. Beta, use compass. Only compass. You should use compass only. Without compass, you cannot do the construction work. And you need the compass, you need the scale, you need the sharp pencil, pointed pencil. Yes, very good, beta. Very good. Good. Very good, beta. Now this is the end of exercise 14.4, sorry, 14.4. Now we have two important exercise, that is 14.5 and 14.6, and these exercise will take a time. Okay, these exercise will take the time, and after this we will start the next chapter. And I want to clear that tomorrow I will take the test. You have to do it. Good, beta. Yes, beta. Yes, beta. Done it, beta. All three questions have been discussed. All three questions have been explained. Can you all you know about the angle? We have all learned about the angles in our previous classes, in class 5th as well as in class 6th also. In chapter number 4 we have discussed about the chapter, that is our chapter which we have discussed about the angles. Now we will start to learn how to construct an angle. We will start to learn how to construct an angle. We will start to learn how to draw a line of symmetry. We will also learn how to draw the perpendicular bisector. In today's class we have learnt about the perpendicular. Now we will learn how to draw the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular means 90 degree and bisector means two equal parts. Bisector means two equal parts.